Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Enable location services and confirm photos saved location data. Open the Photos app and pick the image you want to track. Next, install or grant permission to a reputable EXIF viewer so you can read GPS tags. This lets you see latitude, longitude, and timestamp. Once done, export or share the photo to the EXIF app for inspection. Make sure the file you use still contains metadata and wasn't stripped by messaging or cloud compression. You now extract the coordinates and related fields. In the EXIF viewer, load the photo file and locate GPS latitude, longitude, altitude, and the timestamp. These are what form your track. If your app shows direction or speed, save that too for richer tracks. After confirming accuracy, copy the coordinates or, preferably, export the data as GPX or KML format. This preserves the track and timestamps for mapping. Make sure export settings use WGS84 and correct time zone when available. You finish by loading the exported GPX/KML into your mapping tool, Google Earth, a mapping website, or GIS software to visualize the route. Once loaded, verify timestamps and time zone alignment so points appear in order. Adjust if points are offset or duplicated. If coordinates are missing, check that the camera app was allowed to write GPS and ensure the photo wasn't uploaded through a service that strips EXIF. A quick tip: use the original file from iCloud Photos download and avoid edited or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.